Two concepts that are related but not the same are supplementary angles and complementary angles. The difference is their sum. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measures sum to 180 degrees. And complementary are the sum have to add up to 90 degrees. And I noted here that these do not have to be adjacent. So supplementary angles could be adjacent. So if I had angles 1 and 2, those two would be supplementary. But I could also say, if we had some angle here that we said 3, and let's say 3 was equal to 60 degrees, and I had some other angle over here where I said angle 4 was equal to 120 degrees, I could say that these two angles, 3 and 4, are supplementary because they sum to 180 degrees. The same is true for complementary angles. Let's look at a specific example where you might be asked to identify supplementary angles and complementary angles. Here we have 5 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're told that this angle 3 is 90 degrees. Now, one thing that you can assume is that 1, 2, and 3 are all linear. So if you add up 1, 2, and 3, it would be 180 degrees, which means that 1 and 2 must also sum to 90 degrees. So I could label this as a right angle. So complementary angles could be angles 1 and 2. So I could say angle 1 and angle 2. Now, a supplementary pair could be angle 4 and angle 5, which are adjacent and they are linear. So notice that for supplementary and for complementary, you can't say that 5 angles are complementary. We're always talking about pairs or twos. So remember that when you're trying to evaluate your problems, that supplementary sum to 180 degrees, or they're linear, and complementary angles sum to 90 degrees.